This is the story's core paradox. The American government claims that a lone man, operating from this bedroom in his parents' house, was able to cripple the stability of the entire global financial system. Sarao began his career as a point-and-click day trader with a savant-like ability to read the ladder, the real-time record of every bid and offer in the market. He possessed a rare hyperfocus and a lack of emotional loss aversion, allowing him to predict price movements with icy precision. But around 2007, the market shifted. A new financial elite emerged, powered by high-frequency trading, where human intuition was replaced by autonomous computer algorithms. These machines operate in microseconds, millionths of a second. They are housed in servers located directly adjacent to the exchange, eliminating any data lag. For Sarao, this technological shift tilted the playing field. These apex predators were systematic and tireless, effectively boxing human traders out of their livelihoods with a speed advantage that no person could ever match. To understand how Sarao fought back, we have to look at the central limit order book. Most electronic markets follow the FIFO rule, first in, first out. If you want to buy a contract at a specific price, your order joins the back of the queue, behind everyone else who was there first. High-frequency algorithms use raw speed to jump to the front of this line. They skim small profits and cancel their orders in a fraction of a second, ensuring they almost never take a loss. However, Sarao identified a critical flaw. These algorithms are blind followers. They react strictly to the volume of data in the queue and have no way of determining the actual intent of the person behind those orders. This realization shifted the power balance. If robots rely entirely on data signals, the person who controls the data effectively controls the robots. Sarao turned to a tactic called spoofing. This involves flooding the market with massive fake orders to create the illusion of overwhelming supply or demand. This fake data tricks the algorithms. They see the massive wall of sell orders, assume a crash is coming, and begin panic selling their own assets, which drives the actual market price lower. The final step of the trap is the cancellation. The spoofer removes their fake wall milliseconds before it executes, then immediately scoops up real contracts at the artificially lowered price. Executing this manually against microsecond-fast computers was impossible. In 2009, Sarao emailed a software vendor and asked them to build him an automated tool that could modify and cancel orders based on the market's movements. This request marked a turning point. Sarao was engineering a bespoke digital weapon to hunt and herd Wall Street's algorithms. From his bedroom, Sarao deployed his upgraded software and began dominating the order book. He was constantly feeding false data to the most sophisticated computers on Earth, forcing them to trade exactly how he wanted. His success was staggering. He racked up tens of millions of dollars in profit, while continuing to eat supermarket sandwiches and live an isolated, ascetic life. To him, the millions were just a high score in a game. This chart shows the S&P 500 on May 6, 2010. Sarao's barrage of phantom orders was injecting massive instability into an ecosystem that had become entirely dependent on machine logic. His deception had moved beyond his own bank account. By manipulating the foundational data the algorithms relied on, he was pushing the global financial architecture toward its breaking point. The 2010 flash crash was the catastrophic result of this fragility. In just minutes, $1 trillion in value evaporated due to a chain reaction of algorithm failures. The financial sector has spent billions of dollars trying to remove human emotion from trading, but they failed to account for basic human deception. An algorithm is utterly defenseless against a human willing to feed it a lie. Navinder Sarao's career serves as a final proof that the digitized global economy is now an inherently hackable system.